Welcome to 581 Ottawa Ave in Holland, Michigan. It hasn't been on the market for almost 20 years. And just come join me. Let's go take a look at this beautiful commercial property.
Where contemporary meets modern, this commercial space truly embodies this feeling. It's just under 47,000 square feet. Has ample office space, meeting rooms, warehouse and storage facilities, 6 total docks, several of which can be elevated for offloading trailers. And if you can believe this or not, in the early 1900s, they used to repair locomotives in this space. Truly amazing. In the upstairs portion of this commercial space, you can use this common area for a daycare facility for your employees or whatever you like. Also, you have several executive suites with soaring ceilings and access to 2 kitchens and a full bathroom. You're also blocks away from Lake Macatawa, downtown Holland, and much, much more.